Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing your footage and setting the timeline. Import your clip, then duplicate it so you have a base and a top layer to blend. Once done, set the project aspect ratio and trim to the exact moment you want the effect. Make sure to enable high-quality export if available. This preserves detail for the glow. Now switch to the top layer and get ready to change blending and color controls to fake night vision lighting. Next, focus on color and glow to sell the night vision look. On the top layer, decrease exposure a bit and increase contrast to deepen shadows. This creates that night camera base. Shift the hue toward green and boost midtone saturation about 20 to 40% so skin and foliage glow. Add a subtle Gaussian blur or glow filter on the top layer, then reduce opacity and set blending to screen or add. This combines sharp detail beneath with an eerie green luminance. Finish by adding texture and exporting correctly. Place a noise grain layer on top at 10 to 25% opacity and choose monochrome or green tint. This mimics sensor noise. Optionally add thin horizontal scan lines and a slight vignette to frame the scene. When satisfied, export at a high bitrate and test on different screens. If the image looks too flat or overly grainy, lower noise opacity, tweak contrast, or switch blending modes. These simple adjustments quickly fix the most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.